Welcome back to Mindshift Mechanics. Today we're going to talk about mastering if statements in Excel on macOS. What is an if statement? It's a logical function that allows you to create conditions to return different values depending on whether a specific condition is met, known as true, or not met, known as false. Here we have category and the score for semester 1 and semester 2. This is going to be broken up into 4 segments. In this segment, we're going to talk about the standard if statement. In cell F11, we're going to do equals if. It's asking us for the logical test. C11 is less than or equal to 10%. If this is true, it's going to fail. And recall that anytime you're typing in text, it has to be enclosed in quotations. And if it's false, it's going to be pass. Close parentheses. As you can tell, because math for semester 1 is 10%, it has failed. If it's 9%, still failed. However, if it's 11%, it would be passed. Now we want to make sure we apply this formula to both English and history. And the best approach is to go to F11, go to the bottom right hand corner until you see a black crosshair, left click and drag down. The reason C13 is fail because it's not meeting the true statement, which it has to be above 10%. This is it for segment 1. Please stay tuned for segment 2.